Hello everyone, it's me again. Today I'm here in Charlton. They got a fun fair. The beautiful day today, the sun is out, so take advantages. You know, it can rain at any time. So come with me and join me. Let's see what is around this fun fair. Stay tuned if you want. What a beautiful village here. Oh, another classic car. I love them. My car just parked there somewhere. What a beautiful day. The forecast for tomorrow is rain, so I can't believe it. These cars, they didn't have nothing. I tell you what, people, they used to tell me they used to fix them actually on the road, but these days they got too many electronic gadgets and etc. They can't be fixed, and more expensive as well. I'm not saying these cars, they are reliable. I just think they are so gorgeous. I'd love to have just one if I could afford. Fortunately, I can't. These two grills, 9.25. This one got show. Yeah. So cute. I love animals.
Have we got Bailey? Yep. Have we got Acre?
Ton of flowers. So cute. It's a beautiful place. If I had money, I wouldn't think twice on better. Aston Martin in my collection, there's no doubt about that. That I think is a Jaguar, maybe I'm wrong. Oh, so beautiful. I just think he set them apart. So that is the Vantage. Beautiful. Look at the Jaguar. Absolutely stunning. Look at that, I think the gentleman is going to start that steam engine.
Ready?
He can do it. I think incredible. Wow. Yes, did he? Yes, he did. Look at that. Almost no noise.
See the smoke coming out?
That is incredible. I reckon it was so difficult, but he did it. He did start it. Some people, they love this type of things, you see. And they can look at hours and hours and hours. I couldn't, but I admire them. It's awesome. Look at that. Ah, it's absolutely incredible.
Now, what's happening?
Oh no, it's there.
Can you see what's happening?
But if you had a borehole in the old ones, replace the barrel with a borehole going down into the ground. Yeah.
Why do you think I'm running this engine and brought my low barrel off today? So that you can have a wristband out. If you've got one, good on you, well done. There you are. Oh, it's going now, isn't it? Brian?
Look at the quality of this car. And it's a left and drive. I would prefer left and drive. Wow. The high quality of the craftsmanship. the paint, everything. So this has been restored even by bolts and nuts. I have no doubt. Why no rust? Look where the battery
And I've
goes.
got this.
Look at just the craftsmanship on those wheels. Oh, and the tires as well. Isn't that incredible? So you rate it with bigger discs and bigger calipers. Well, I think that is a good idea. Wow, look at that. That is absolutely beautiful. Look at the bit. This is the V12. Oh my lord. As you can count by the headers, 6, so it's a 12. Even if we're talking, I reckon this is a 60 or the 70. In the 70s, and I reckon was one of the most modern cars at that time, for me personally. Apart from the Ford GT40. So this guy, the owner, he's got the steam engine, he's got this car as well. That one I think no, he doesn't have. Isn't that cute? You could walk actually there. If it was very hot, that's what I would do. I wouldn't think twice of your own. They could swim there today, was it? And I reckon they could swim there. So I can find you online. Is that right, on the internet? You can buy this stuff online.
Don't look at that. That's,
Oh.
But yeah.
Here's it.
We are, but it's, if you look for decorista interiors, that's more likely.
So what, decorist.co.uk or?
This is all those fabrics.
Oh, I see. So what is the fabric itself? Is that curtains or?
Yeah.
Sorry, what are you selling? Wine or?
It's just a little game. You have it.
Oh.
You pay your money. You take your chance. You might win wine. You might get water.
Oh, I see.
You can't take water away.
What a silly man. I came here, I didn't bring out even a penny. I had to go to the pub to buy water.
You bought that.
From the pub water. I know, don't tell them. £1.50. I don't know. I've been to shows that you pay £2 for a bottle of water. You can buy the real honey, and that's why £4. I didn't drop no money. I could buy one. Wow, you can see even it's dark at the real honey. There's the raffles. Oh, thank you. I just said to your colleague I didn't brought nobody with me with her. What is it? I have to go to the pub to have a bottle of water. No! Oh wow, that is I think it's the cameras. And they sell stuff. That is nice. They like to support the locals. It's really good. It's beautiful.
Well danced there up front.
Beautiful house. It's my type. What a beautiful couple, I have to say.
Someone's hand here through the night.
Thank you. This is the first. This is the first time I've been in a firework vehicle. Wow, that is awesome. Look at that, fantastic. Look, they got all the gear there. Wow, that is so beautiful, so modern. Look at that. It's like an iPad there. Wow, that is awesome. Look at that. You got everything. Well, what a good way actually to finish this show here in Charlotte. I do appreciate that you follow me. If you want to give me a comment and a like after the show, thank you, and I want to thank my all subscribers. I'll see you next time. Thank you.